Today is our anniversary, 8 years.
We're on our way to a pumpkin patch.
On the way to a pumpkin patch.
Why are you repeating what I'm saying?
Because you gotta be loud.
Oh, sorry.
You're whispering.
Let me talk loudly.
We've almost been together a decade now.
Almost. We're going to get Starbies
Just
on our way to a pumpkin patch in Florida.
It's kind of weird to say a pumpkin patch in Florida.
Yeah.
It's not really where you think about pumpkin patches at.
Not really.
Well, that's where we're going. You enjoying the pumpkin patch, am I? A lot of smashed pumpkins. I saw a green pumpkin. I thought it was a watermelon. Even though we're in a pumpkin patch. I don't understand.
It looked like a watermelon. Look, right here. It looks like a watermelon before it goes into pumpkin.
Right there.
You can tell we haven't been out a whole bunch.
Not the pumpkin patches. There's a bell pepper. Bell pepper.
Where?
I'm
That's
kidding.
a baby pumpkin.
I know what it is.
About to go on the maze? You want a medium?
I'm going medium.
Thought you said you wanted to do hard.
I'm a little nervous now.
What is this?
See a hat back there? That means the person that put that hat there hasn't been back yet.
The best flowers in the field. Okay. So each of these bees will have a special mark on a medallion for you to find. Search the field, find the mark, and place. I don't know if this is the maze. Don't cut through. Don't pick up and throw corn. Okay, small maze is this one. And then is this the hard one?
I'm not so hard, so.
Okay, well we're gonna do the large one. You start here. Are we lost?
I'm lost.
Yeah, I think we are.
That one didn't take long at all to get lost. I'm going left.
We've been in here for 5 minutes and there was so many turns you could make. We are lost. Okay, so we're trying to figure out where to go. We gotta look at this. Pretty good. Look, there's a cow in it and there's a pumpkin in it and
We're at
another cow.
checkpoint 6, and I didn't even see the first 6 checkpoints.
No, I didn't either, so we definitely went the wrong way.
Don't matter. Am I'm tired.
We're right here. We were here. We went all the way back here.
There's no exit right there, am
I
I?
don't know where to go. I'm just hot.
Me too. I gotta go back to the cow.
Look, this is a circle. How do we get out of a circle?
So we gotta go that way. So we gotta go down. When we get to this stop, I see the stop, we make a left. Left, left.
Oh man, I
Right.
was looking at this wrong the whole time.
I thought you were.
Okay.
So when we were at 6, 7, so we need to go. I gotta pee so bad. Oh my gosh, I gotta pee.
Down. Right.
There ain't no way we can keep up with all that.
Taking a picture. Okay, I think I can get us out if we have the picture.
Let's
Ready?
roll. Let's go. We'll see y'all in 3 hours.
We made it out, but we ended up going through the way that you're not supposed to go through because we were not making it out of that maze. And now he's in the portrait potty, and then we're gonna see the sunflowers. Yeah, so we didn't figure out the maze. Oh well.
We made it out, and now we're in a sunflower field. Forgot to update you. This is me in the sunflower field. Tripod. There's a little baby. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. Yeah, I'm on video right now. Fat pig, fat
Let me
pig.
try this baby.
wants food. Why? You ain't got no food for him.
The corn face? Oh, he's
Mm.
licking me.
Just like a dog.
He made me fall. We're starving. We traveled so far. We had to stop at a gas station.
Get some Hunt's Brothers pizza.
There's no food anywhere.
If you have never had a Hunt's Brothers pizza, just know those siblings, they can make a pizza.
Had to get some drinks and just there was no restaurants anywhere. I almost started crying.
She did. It was hilarious.